is a colloquial term to describe a woman who's always complaining, feeling entitled, and downright bitchy and bossy. Am I a Karen? Yes, I think I am in situations that I have to be one. For as long as I remember, I'm known to speak my mind and I'm sometimes difficult, admittedly.
Sharing my, based on true, Karen stories.
Hi, good morning. Isang good coffee. Naku, wala ba kayong smaller bill? Naku, sorry, wala eh. Wala ba kayong ibang payment options? Naku, wala. Miss, okay ka lang? Kanina ka pa hirap na hirap sa trabaho mo. Parang hindi ka nag-attend ng seminar sa customer service. Actually, trabaho ng company mo na mag-provide ng change eh. Hindi mo nga ako mabigyan ng options. Gawan mo ng paraan yan. Gawan mo ng paraan masuklian. Kung hindi ako aalis dito. Pangalan. Ay, good afternoon po. Lian Patricio po. Anong nararamdaman? Nung isang araw po kasi bla 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 bla. Kunin mo sa sekretary yung reseta. Ay, never mind, Doc. Parang hirap na hirap po kayo sa trabaho nyo. I'm sure when you were a kid and when asked why you wanted to be a doctor, you would say you wanted to help those who are feeling unwell and sick. So, and besides, I'm not a charity case here. Nagbabayad po ako. Salamat na lang sa oras nyo. Nakakahiya naman sa inyo eh.
Miss, iwan mo yan. Di mo yan pwede ipasok.
Ha, bakit kuya? Nakapalot naman ng maayos.
Basta hindi mo yan pwedeng ipasok, iwan mo yan.
O sige, pero pengi na lang number.
Wala kaming number, hindi kami nagbibigay ng gano'n.
O kuya, asan na yung take out ko?
Ha? Hindi nyo ba kasama yung kakalabas lang? Binigay ko dun eh. Hello, may I take your order?
Hello, pa-order po ng isang sisig. Thank you.
Ay, wala na po kaming sisig. Okay lang po ba?
Sa akin kuya okay lang. Sa'yo okay lang ba? Hi, pa-order po ng chocolate cake and coffee.
Isa-serve na po ba ngayon?
Hindi. Actually, in-order ko yun para sa'yo. Am I a mean person?
Yes.
Well, di naman ako yung magigising ng umaga at ang sole purpose sa buhay mag-inis at mag-away. But if I feel that I'm not valued and not heard, then I would say my piece.
I'm not a bad person. I don't go out of my way to treat others rudely. I never questioned others' authority. I don't belittle waiters, guards, and all humans, but if I am disregarded and not treated fairly, I will not be afraid to show my thorns and fangs.
Actually, ang mantra ko sa buhay is spread kindness and always smile. Pero kung nagro-roll ng mata kahit kinakausap mo ng maayos or parang hindi ka man lang tignan sa mata the whole time, di siguro naman na provoke na ako masyado para hindi ko masabi kung ano yung gusto ko sabihin. So maybe the next time you encounter a Karen, ask yourself if it's you because mostly it's not them.